Hey, this is Pierre Villacote talking. Let's talk about Viva Topics. So Viva Topics is part of Microsoft Viva. There's Microsoft Viva Connections, there's Viva Learning, Viva Insights, and Viva Topics. Viva Topics is probably the one module which is not a product. You're not going to find an icon with the topic app because there's no topic app. It's mostly uh, some sort of engine. It's based on AI. The goal of Viva Topics is to, you know, crawl different information in your system and make them discoverable and put some weight on the information to show it as accurate for the organization. So you're probably gonna have Viva Topic Center where you can manage that. So I'm gonna demonstrate that. So here it is on my side. There's a Viva Topic Center. And you will see as an end user in the homepage, you will see all the topics that have been identified in the system. And the engine will ask you, because they might saw that you were mentioned in the document or you created the document. So it will figure out that you might be a good suggestion if somebody has a question about the topic. So he's going to ask you if you want to be referred as some sort of topic knowledge expert on this topic. So hopefully will let me refresh this page. It should come. Here it is. So you see there's a bunch of topics here, and every time it will say, do you want to be listed on this topic? So if you figure out that this topic, yeah, it's a project I worked on, so you can say yes, and then it will assign you, like Mark 8, it will assign you as a good suggestion to be contacted for this topic. So basically, that's what end user will have to do to put some weight on the information that the system found. So there's suggested topic and there's defined topics. This one has been treated before, so it's not suggested anymore. So when you're a knowledge manager, you have another tab here called Manage Topics, where you can manage the topics. So as you can see at the beginning, we crawled and find a lot of documents and find a lot of topics. So he highlight all those topics here, and you can have a preview of those topics by clicking on one of them. So you see the topics you want. If you want to see the detail, you can view the detail of the topic. So basically, a topic is a name, an alternate name, and some suggested people, some suggested files and pages, and some suggested sites. So that's what a topic is. So when somebody is looking for something, well, if you see a topic card somewhere, well, I'll show you that later on. It will, when clicking on a topic, you will see this topic card. So that's a topic card. So here you can say, yeah, this topic seems to be a valid topic. So you can see the impression. So it will show you if it was discovered many times in your system, so you can validate this. And then it will transition from suggested to confirmed. So then you have a list of topics that you previously switched to suggested to confirm. So now, what does it mean? That it means that you need to do a little effort here. You need to maybe open the topic and review it. Okay, that way, or what you can do is select the topic and say review and publish the topic. So that's basically the same thing. You're going to see the topic. If you want to review and publish it, then you need to go in edit mode, and then you can give an alternate name. So for example, if I want to short it, I can give Mark as an alternate name, or um, okay, I can write 3D printer. So I give some alternate names. So if you use this alternate name because it's maybe people don't know it as Mark 8, but maybe more 3D printer, then they will find it. Look for 3D printer. They will have this topic card that will appear on there. And also, so you have suggested people, so you can pin the people you think they're valid, and you can add if somebody is missing, you can add other people. So I can add, you know, add Mad. So it's easy to add some people manually or to validate the people who were suggested. Also, you have suggested files or pages. So if you see that their documents are very accurate, for example, a pitch deck probably is valid, an elevator pitch, an exec summary. So I'm going to add those three, and now they're in the pinned files and page section. You can also add site if you want to refer to a site. So if you know the site is talking about that and you want to highlight it, you just add the click on here. It will find all the site here, or you can search by entering the URL here. And also you can say this topic is connected to another one. So you can add another topic so people can browse even further. And when you're finished, you publish the topic, and you can go back to manage topics. So now it's not confirmed. Yeah, it is confirmed, and it will transition to published in a few hours because it takes some time to do so. I'm not yet sure how long it takes. Last time I did it on Friday, and when I come back on the Monday, it was done. But basically, you will see the published topics. So what are the published topics? The published topics are the ones that are really used in the day-to-day work. So how is it? So if I go there first in Office 365 and I search for topics that has been published. So for example, if I search for, I create a manual topics called Teams, or even I use an alternate name called Slack just to be sure it was working. Let's see if it works. So it finds a topic called Teams with alternate names called Microsoft Teams, Slack, Collaboration. So that's the first way to find a topic card. By searching a keyword, which is a name of a topic and alternate names, you will find it in a search. Another way also to find it is everywhere, actually. Everywhere there's a page. So let's go to SharePoint again. And I have a landing page here. So imagine that the intranet actually is based on Viva connections. And I created a page here, how to demo topics. So basically here you can see that there's a page with text, and there's a name here, and I can see this name is actually in topics, a topic. So I can find my topic here. So how do I do that? It's kind of magic. So actually I'm gonna, you see there's one with no link and one with link. So let me show you how it works. So first thing, if you know exactly the topic or remember the alternate name, then you can type whatever text you want to. So for example, if I enter some text. And I remember there's a tag called Slack. You can type hashtag and it will show you all the topics. So you can search for, here, yeah, I can see maybe I don't find it right now, so I'm going to type hashtag collaboration, or I think I remember there was something about collaboration. So I can see here there's collaboration Teams, Microsoft Teams, Slack. So that's the one I want. So here you saw I used the hashtags and find my topic among other ones. So that's the first way to do it. But if you talk about a project directly, you forget to look at maybe you don't know there's a topic about it. So you type a text and then you finish to type your text and you publish your page. Was it NCC or NC? I think it was NC. Let me do that again. So actually, I don't know there's a topic, and I didn't tag it, but it found that NC 113 is a topic, so I can see now the topic in the page. So it can be on any page in SharePoint, wherever it is. Here I created a page, an intranet page. It can be on the front page. I think we did some tests with some of my colleagues where, yeah, you can see the same thing happens here. And you can tag it several times so you can see there's several tags. And what's interesting in if you tag it once, then it won't find the text, it won't find it as a topic. You need to tag it or not to tag it at all. So it's a little bit weird. Maybe it's still fine tuning they're still fine tuning the product. So that's how Topics is working. In the future, you'll be able to use tags in Yammer, in Outlook for the web, so you can refer to project name, product name, whatever your topic is. But the first thing to do is to go in this Viva Topics center and decide what are the accurate topics that he discovered. And you can also decide that you want to create a manual topic. So if you don't find the documents, or maybe because of the way it's named, or you can create your own topic. So for example, I'm just for the fun, I'm going to create a topic about with my name. I can give alternate name. So I can add people to same thing. I can do everything manually. So let's add. And you can describe if this person is related to this topic. And you can add all the people. You can add files from site. So here, I really don't know what's in this demonstration site. Let's see if we can find some document somewhere. Okay. Can I select several one? Yeah. Okay. So I pinned several documents. I can pin the site too. So I can say this one. I can add other. Let's do that. And then I publish. So I did it manually. Once again, I'm not sure it was maybe a manual. Let's see if the manual is published right away. Not. It's not there. Which one was it? Data code. So it takes some time to be published, I guess. We can we can try. Let's try to refresh this. I think it takes time because when I did it, actually that's what I did for this topic called. Let me show you the published one, the Teams one. That's a manual one where I added the document directly and the site directly manually, and I think it took again a few hours to be considered as published. So basically, that's topic in very quick presentation. You have a topic center where you manage the topics. You switch them for suggested to confirm and then confirm to published. Um, when you publish them, you need to add some information to it to make them more accurate. And then you can use it in every page. And in the future, we'll see them in Outlook and Yammer and Teams. Hope this was helpful.